Hi guys, thank you for watching my YouTube video. Please do subscribe, like and share, and also don't forget to click the notification bell, and if you have any question, feel free to comment below. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you the simplest way on how to unban your account from OMETV. So just follow this simple step. Step 1 is to go to Play Store and download the apps 1.1.1.1 DNS. Okay, so here it is. So this one, we've just downloaded already. So now, if you already downloaded this app, so you should go to the next step. Go to Home, and then click the settings. And after that, go to Applications and look for OMETV app. Okay, so here the OMETV app, just click and then select the storage and then click the clear data. After you do this, go home again and then open the 1.1.1 DNS. Okay, you just need to activate this app. Alright, click OK. So as you can see, successfully connected. So now go back home and then now click OMETV app. Alright guys, here we go. Click allow. Alright. Okay, you need to log in with your Facebook, or if you have VK account, you can also use that. Okay, in a few seconds. Charan! So now guys, thank you for watching. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching guys. Hope you like the video.